Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we're going to be doing another Poundland haul. I love the way their bags say amazing value every day because I don't know about you guys, but I find I always get a bargain on fun stuff when I go to Poundland. Today's video is a bit special because Valentine's Day is not too far around the corner, and I wanted to show you some fun things that you can get at Poundland for Valentine's Day. Guys, I have done such a big shop on this Valentine's Day theme that there are going to be two parts to this video, so this is part one. So without wasting any more time, let's get in and see what fun things we've got inside this amazing haul. Okay, so first thing that we've got is a super cute, I'm going to tilt you guys down so you get a better view. This super cute gift box. It says, love you to the moon and back. And I bought this because I always say to my family that I love them to the moon and back. So when I saw this, I thought it was adorable. It is blue. It's a very dark blue, almost navy. It's got these gorgeous little planets. I think this is supposed to be planet Earth, but it's just fun. It's cute, and it's a really decent sized box. We do have one of these little silica gels. Guys, make sure that you dispose of these responsibly. They can cause poisoning in dogs and other animals, but also children, so we'll dispose of that responsibly. But it's a very deep box, you can see here, just for a gauge, and it's cute and adorable. So our very first Poundland item, adorable. I really like it. We'll move the bag out of the way so I can line the things up and you guys can see it. I just like you guys to see the bag in the background just so you know that it is an actual Poundland haul. Ooh, let's see what else we've got. Okay, so what I noticed in Poundland as well is that a lot of the items that they carry for Valentine's Day are more on the feminine side. So if you like kind of feminine products, that's awesome. If you don't, there's not a whole lot of masculine type things. So most of this haul will be feminine. I think we have a few little things thrown in. They have this super cute, pop it out, I love you candy, rock and lolly, fruit flavored lollipop. It's in the shape of a heart. It has the print, I love you, and I thought it was cute and adorable, and for £1, I couldn't not pick it up. You're getting 65 grams of product, which I think is pretty reasonable for a lollipop of this size and for the price. So super cute and adorable. Next thing in this cute little bag. Okay, just creating a little bit of space. The next thing that I saw are these adorable little tea lights. They're heart shaped. You're getting 8 in the pack and they are so cute and adorable. They say sweetheart. I don't think these are scented, so you're just getting the little tea hearts. Or tea hearts. I don't think that's what they're called. Tea lights in the shape of a heart, and that is cute and adorable, and I love these. I think these are really adorable. The other thing is, when these burn out, you can actually clean these little plastic containers, and if you're arts and crafty, which I don't believe I really am, I think I am, but I don't really think in reality that I am. You can actually refill these and make your own, or use the little molds to make soap. I don't know, but you don't have to get rid of them. You can keep them and do something with them. So cute and adorable. And if I was given those as part of a Valentine's Day gift, I would really like them. Let's see what else we've got inside this fun bag. Oh my gosh, we have so many things. Let me see. Okay, we're just going to get rid of this bag. Guys, I also want to let you know I have one thing in this haul that is not from Poundland, but we'll discuss that at the end. I saw it when I was shopping. I couldn't walk by it. It was so cute, but I'll show you that at the end. Okay, the next, actually, I have two little items that aren't from Poundland, but I'll talk about those at the end. The next little product for Valentine's Day is this flower soap. It is rose fragranced. You're getting 5 in a pack. You get 2 red, 2 pink, and 1 baby pink. They're in this gorgeous, gorgeous heart-shaped tin that, again, you can use this afterwards to store some jewelry in, or store some makeup, or, I mean, honestly, it sits super pretty on a dressing table. Adorable. This, I will definitely keep this little tin and do something else with it. But you're getting 5 rose fragranced flower soaps. That is adorable. And the product, we're getting 23 grams of product. I think 23 grams of product for these little cute soaps, as well as the tin, is a really reasonable price to pay. So that is a thumbs up for me. Let's pop that just in front so you guys get to see. The next fun thing that we have is this bath crumble. Now this is strawberry and cream fragranced. There is a hefty weight. A hefty weight to this packaging. You're getting 180 grams of bath crumble in strawberries and cream. This bath crumble, I'm not sure whether this is fizzy, but it looks to me like it's got the same consistency as a bath bomb. I would say that you could probably get 2, 3, maybe 4 baths out of this one packet. So that is pretty awesome. If you're getting up to the 4, 180 grams, I'm loving that it's strawberries and cream. You can't really smell anything through the box, but I love strawberry and cream scented things. So that is super cute and adorable. We'll maybe pop this right here. Guys, I've got 3 more things for the Poundland haul and 2 extra things that I bought at Primark. I'm just going to throw into this haul so that you guys can see. But we'll talk about those at the end. The next fun thing that I got, if you like candy, if you like sweeties, just a set of 4 super sweet marshmallow donuts, and it says come and get them. And we have this gorgeous strawberry with white stripes, and it's got these gorgeous little edible pearls. We have a white with pink pearl donut. We have this super cute baby blue and white striped donut, and then we have this black and pink donut, which I also think is pretty adorable. These are, you're getting 100 grams of net weight, or 100 grams, sorry guys, of weight in this packet. So super cute and super adorable. Would I mind getting these in my Valentine's Day gift? Absolutely not, because I love marshmallow, I love the sugar topping, and I love donuts. So how could I not love these little donuts? Oh, this is cute. So the next thing I got was this rose coloche. It says sweetheart, it lights up, and it reminds me of, let's pop this open. It reminds me of the little flower in Beauty and the Beast. And I've always wanted, no batteries. Okay, we'll get some batteries and I will show you what this is like when we light it up. But it reminds me of Beauty and the Beast. I've always wanted something similar to that, and I think this is super cute and adorable. Let me go get some batteries and I'm going to be right back. Ooh. Okay guys, so this little rose collage takes 3 AAA batteries. We've just popped those in there. Those batteries also come from Poundland. I think you get a pack of, is it 10 or 12 for £1? Really good, decent, reasonable. They last a reasonable time, so that's awesome. Let's go ahead and see if it works. I haven't tested it yet because I wanted to do it just with you guys. So let's see. Oh my gosh, how cute. I mean, that is adorable. It is so pretty and bright. And how cute would that look just sitting in your room or on your dresser, maybe right beside your little rose tin. Oh my gosh, cute, adorable. I love that. That is so, so nice. So another fun product from Poundland. Honestly, if you guys have never been to a Poundland, I mean like ever, it is honestly well worth the money, and it's well worth a look. You should definitely go try it out. You get so many weird, wonderful things that honestly, I'm addicted. I am so, so addicted to Poundland. The last Poundland item that we have in this haul, before I show you my last two little items that I forgot I had in this bag, they are from Primark, but I guess I might as well go show you them. So the last Poundland item that we have are these Restoring and Smoothing Face Mask collection. You're getting a detoxing green tea, a cleansing green tea, and a radiant rose. Now, these are little testers. Well, they're not testers, but they're only like single use. So you've got 1, 2, 3. They're so cute. Let's look at the back. So these are the ingredients, just so you guys know. What are we getting? So we're getting 3 pods, and they're 8 milliliters each. So 1 single use. That is cute. I would enjoy getting this as part of a why am I so remembering Christmas? As part of a Valentine's Day gift. That is cute, adorable. I really like that. We'll pop that. I'm trying to keep everything in shot so that you guys can see. If I pop it here, that should be okay. Okay, guys, that is my Poundland items. Now I want to show you the 2 items that I got from Primark. Don't really know if they are Valentine's Day related, but they were cute and I like them. I'm going on holiday very soon to Canada to visit my sister. I cannot wait. And I always like to put a lock on my suitcase. This lock originally in Primark was £3 and I got it for 50p. I'm trying to see, it doesn't have a sticker on it, but 50p. Loved it, had to buy it. It's a definite cute thing. And if I got this for Valentine's Day, I would be thinking, oh my gosh, I love Frozen 2. If you guys have not saw the movie, go see it. It is so, so, so much fun. I love Olaf, and I get an Olaf padlock with a key. Awesome. I wouldn't mind getting that. That would be pretty cool. The last thing I've got, again, guys, is from Primark, and it is cute and adorable. And we're still in winter. February, March, coming into April, May, we'll start going into the more spring, and it's cold. It is cold. So what better way than to heat yourself up by having this microwavable hottie that was originally, I think, £5 down to £2, and it's a narwhal. I think this is a narwhal or whale, more a narwhal. It is so soft. It has its own little heating beads. You pop this in the microwave for a few minutes. It heats up and it keeps you cozy and warm. It's a safer alternative than having a hot water bottle because sometimes they do burst and break. So these beads will heat up and they will be put inside your protective layer, which is very thick, and you cuddle it to your body and it is so cozy and warm. I would love, love, love to receive this as part of a Valentine's Day gift. Well, I already own it now, but if I got something as a Valentine's Day gift and I got this, it would be amazing. So guys, these are all my cutesy, you can't even see this. We're just going to leave that there for now. My cute, adorable Valentine's Day haul for my #1 video. I really, really hope you like it. Leave in the comments which is your favorite item. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite Valentine's gift ever was. That would be so interesting. I love hearing from you guys. So I would love to hear in your entire life, what is the favorite gift you've ever got? What is your favorite item here? What's your least favorite? I'm interested in that also. And guys, I'm going to catch you next time. But if you're not yet a subscriber and would like to join us, please hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you come along on our journey. And if you'd like to be notified of any future videos, hit that notification bell and leave any comments in the comment section below. I will do my utmost to either respond or heart your comments. And thank you again so much for joining me. I'm going to see you in my next video, hopefully. Take care, everybody. Have a fantastic day and a fantastic Valentine's Day. And I'm going to see you next time. Bye.